Welcome to Top 5 Report. The best Rhinestone Walking Cane is probably one of the most dazzling and functional accessories you can add to your ensemble, blending sophisticated style with essential support for those who need a little extra stability. Imagine striding with confidence and flair, turning heads not just for your impeccable fashion sense but also for the sheer elegance of this eye-catching mobility aid. It's more than just a cane, it's a statement piece designed to empower your every step, ensuring you don't have to compromise on aesthetics when seeking practical assistance. Number 5. LIXIANG Adjustable Folding Walking Cane. Introducing the LIXIANG Walking Cane, designed for your daily mobility needs. It offers a secure and stable walking experience on any surface. This cane is exceptionally lightweight yet sturdy, constructed from durable aluminum. It easily adjusts to 5 different height levels, from 32.5 to 36.5 inches. Enjoy maximum safety and comfort with its ergonomically designed T-handle. The non-slip rubber tip provides excellent traction and stability. Its collapsible design allows it to fit conveniently into a purse, briefcase, or carry-on bag. Take it with you anywhere for added support. This walking aid is designed to help prevent slip and fall accidents, offering peace of mind. It's a practical tool or a thoughtful gift for someone who needs it. LIXIANG is dedicated to providing convenient and reliable mobility aids. Experience the perfect blend of lightness, firmness, and fashionable design. What we like. This cane is incredibly lightweight and easy to carry, making it perfect for everyday use. It offers 5 levels of height adjustment for a customized fit. If you are looking for a reliable and portable walking aid that won't weigh you down, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The cane is very sturdy and well-made, providing excellent support. The rhinestones are securely attached and add a touch of sparkle without being gaudy. It's adjustable, making it comfortable for users of different heights. Number 4. Rehaescort Folding Adjustable Walking Cane. Experience superior comfort with our innovative handle, designed to distribute pressure evenly and reduce fatigue. Its ergonomic shape provides both support and stability, making every step feel secure. Easily adjust the height to your perfect fit, accommodating individuals from 5 to 6 feet 5 inches. With multiple incremental adjustments, you'll find the ideal height for optimal support and comfort. Navigate any surface with ease thanks to the all-terrain, slip-resistant base. It provides exceptional stability and absorbs shock, protecting your joints and muscles. Our lightweight, foldable design makes it incredibly convenient to carry and store. It collapses in seconds and comes with a travel bag, perfect for life on the go. Developed with healthcare professionals, this cane is rigorously tested for quality and comfort. Enjoy a brilliant using experience with a companion that supports you every step of the way. The integrated wrist strap ensures it stays with you, preventing accidental drops. It feels like a natural extension of your body, offering peace of mind during use. What we like. Experience superior comfort with its innovative handle designed to relieve palm pressure. The all-terrain base ensures stability on any surface, and it conveniently folds for travel with an included bag. If you prioritize comfort during long walks and need a cane that performs well on varied terrain, this is the one for you. What people say. The cane is very sturdy and well-made, providing excellent support. The rhinestones are securely attached and add a beautiful sparkle to the cane. It's lightweight and easy to maneuver, making it comfortable for extended use. Number 3. HoneyBull Foldable Walking Cane. Experience unparalleled stability with our walking cane. Its reinforced rubber tip ensures secure traction on any surface, allowing you to walk with confidence wherever you go. Find your perfect height with 8 adjustable settings, ranging from 30 to 37 inches. It's designed to comfortably support individuals from 5 to 6 feet 5 inches. This cane folds in seconds for effortless storage in any bag or suitcase. Its lightweight aluminum construction makes it ideal for daily mobility and travel. Enjoy a cushioned, non-slip grip with its ergonomic handle. This design reduces hand strain and wrist fatigue, perfect for extended use. Built to last, it provides reliable support for users weighing up to 250 pounds. Trust it for your daily walking needs. Whether you're a senior or an adult needing extra support, this cane offers the stability and comfort you need for everyday activities. What we like. This cane offers robust support, capable of holding up to 250 pounds, and features a secure rubber tip for excellent traction. With 8 adjustable height settings, it provides a custom fit for many users. If you need a sturdy and dependable cane for daily use with reliable grip, consider this option. What people say. The cane is very sturdy and well made, providing excellent support. The rhinestones are securely attached and add a beautiful sparkle to the cane. It's lightweight and easy to maneuver, making it comfortable for extended use. Number 2. Rehaescort Folding Adjustable Walking Cane. Experience unparalleled comfort with our innovative handle design. It offers a larger contact area for your palm, providing superior support and reducing fatigue for a more confident stride. Find your ideal fit with 8 adjustable height settings. This allows for a customized experience, ensuring comfortable and safe use for individuals of various heights. Navigate any surface with confidence thanks to the pivoting tip. Its 4 non-slip rubber feet offer excellent traction, significantly reducing the risk of slips and falls. No more bending to pick it up. This cane is designed to stand independently, offering convenience and safety, especially when you need to keep your hands free. Effortlessly folded for travel or storage in the included bag. Available in fashionable colors, it combines practicality with personal style for your everyday adventures. What we like. This cane stands out with its unique self-standing capability and a 360-degree pivot tip for exceptional stability. It also comes in fashionable colors to match your style. If you need a cane that won't fall over when you let go and want to add a touch of personal style to your mobility aid, this is a great pick. What people say. The cane is very sturdy and well made, providing excellent support. The rhinestones are securely attached and add a touch of sparkle without being gaudy. It's lightweight and easy to maneuver, making it comfortable for extended use. Number 1. HoneyBull Foldable and Adjustable Walking Cane. Introducing the HoneyBull Walking Cane, designed for both men and women. It's a heavy-duty, foldable, and adjustable solution to enhance mobility and independence. Provide essential support for your parents and grandparents with this easy-to-use and reliable walking aid. It's perfect for seniors, the elderly, and those recovering from injuries. This cane features a lightweight and foldable design, making it incredibly easy to collapse and carry. Its strong aluminum build ensures it's both heavy-duty and convenient for travel. Easily adjust the height to suit your needs, fitting individuals from 5 foot to 6 feet 5 inches. It's designed to provide a perfect fit for almost anyone, ensuring comfortable use. The extra-wide, 3-tipped base allows it to stand firmly on its own, providing stability and convenience. This feature makes it an ideal walking cane for men and women of all ages. Its pivoting tip stays flat on angled surfaces, ensuring maximum ground contact. The non-scratch rubber base and 3-pronged design offer great stability on any terrain. What we like. Enjoy the convenience of a freestanding cane with a pivoting multi-tip base for maximum stability on any surface. Its heavy-duty construction ensures reliability for everyday use. If you're looking for a cane that offers excellent balance, can stand on its own, and provides a secure feel, this model is highly recommended. What people say. The cane is very sturdy and well made. It's a beautiful and eye-catching accessory. The adjustable height feature makes it comfortable to use. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.